The backward design model is the one I use for my unit on adding and subtracting integers. It begins with the end in mind. What should students learn uh, from this unit? What are their goals? How will I know if students are learning what they need to know? Plan on learning experiences and instruction. The focus is on teaching and assessment and designing the curriculum backwards. Um, Having the students uh, know their goals and where they're going is most important in the instruction of integers. Using a backward design in education, we identify the desired result. Uh, we determine what is acceptable evidence. We plan the learning experiences and the instructional materials that the teacher will use, uh, giving the students an example of how adding and subtracting integers relates to their real life. For instance, you'll give them the example of having a checking account, um, that any money withdrawn from their account is a negative. Any money that they add or deposit would be a positive. If they were to um, overdraw their account and have a negative balance, let's say they would have negative $15 balance, and the bank might assess another charge of $25. So negative 15 plus negative 25 would be negative 40. And they would need $40 to get back to a balance of zero. Um, so giving a real world situation with integers shows the students that they do need this mathematical skill throughout their life. Uh, This model has instructors spending time identifying desired results and developing assessments to meet these goals. One of the top um, assessments that I use would be IXL. The students will go through it, and if they make a mistake and they get something wrong, this program will tell them what the correct answer is, and it shows them step by step how to solve the problem. So then they can go back and try new questions until they have mastered that skill. Also, I use quizzes and tests for assessments. Exit tickets are good. Uh, Observing in the classroom, uh, having them work in partners, having them using their dry erase boards to show their answers is a good way to do an assessment to see where they are and if they understand the rules of adding and subtracting two positives, two negatives, a positive, and a negative. So I highly recommend the backward design model for teaching integers. Here are the references that I used for this unit. Thank you.